Hello everyone, welcome to Chano TV. What is the function of the liver in the human body? Answer: the liver performs many functions including detoxification, protein synthesis, and bile production. What are some healthy habits that can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases? Answer: regular exercise, balanced diet, adequate sleep, stress management. What is the main ingredient in hummus? A popular Middle Earthern dip. Answer: chickpeas. What is the national dish of Mexico, known for its corn, tacos, and various fillings? Answer: tacos. What is the name of the traditional Japan noodle soup made with a clear broth, noodles, and various toppings? Answer: ramen. You are in a dark room with three light switches that control three light bulbs in a separate room. You can flip the switches any number of times, but you can only enter the room with the light bulbs once. How can you determine which switch controls which bulb? Answer: turn on switch 1 and leave it on a while. Then turn it off and turn on switch 2. Now enter the room. If the first bulb is on, it's controlled by switch 2 because it was just turned on. If the first bulb is off but the second bulb is on, the first bulb is controlled by switch 1 because it was warm from begin on earlier, and the second bulb is controlled by switch 2 if both bulbs are off. The first bulb is controlled by switch 3. I am a 5-letter word. If you remove my first letter, I become something sinister. If you remove my last letter, I become something holy. What I am I? Answer: evil, devil live. Who delivered the famous "I Have a Dream" speech during the March on Washington for Jobs and Freedom in 1963? Answer: Martin Luther King, Jr. What is a quote? Ask not what your country can do for you. Ask what you can do for your country. Answer: John F. Kennedy Inaugural Address, 1961. Can you think of any other famous quotes or speeches that have shaped history or culture? Answer: encourage discussion on other impactful quotes and speeches. Remember, have fun learning together. Thank you for watching.